Using the device is very easy. You're going to long press the power button to turn on. And right now we are in the red light, which means the warmth mode. And to change the intensity, we're in the steady light means level 1, slow blinking means level 2, and the fast blinking means the level 3. And it would automatically shut itself off in 10 minutes. If you want to turn on the vibration, hold down the M button and the whole device starts vibrating. Turn it off, hold it down until it beeps, and then the vibration is off. To switch to the next mode, which is the cooling mode, we click it, and then now we're in the blue light. And again, the intensity levels 1, 2, 3. And if you're to turn it off, the fan may still spin for up to about maybe 30 seconds, and that's okay. It's just cooling itself off. That's normal operation. And then when you go, and it'll shut itself off in 5 minutes after it's being used. And we go to the last mode, which is the purple, which is the EMS mode. The intensity again is 1, 2, 3. And it'll automatically shut itself off in 10 minutes. And if you just want to turn it off already, just hold the button down. Right now the fan is spinning. It'll automatically shut itself off, so that's okay.